In the hassle of Studio DID watermark, everyone is troubled, and no one wants to use Hagen or other websites because their quality is very poor, and all of them have too many limitations. But let me tell you about a website where you can upload your image, upload your voice, and create high-quality talking AI videos with the best facial expressions like Studio DID. So, will you believe it? If not, you'll have to do it, because I've brought a video for you where I'll show you how you can create high-quality talking AI avatar videos for free without any limitations. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, for AI talking avatar videos, we need voice and image. So, for voice, we'll generate it from 11 Labs, and for the image, we'll generate it from Leonardo AI. If you want to learn about Leonardo AI in detail, you can watch the video provided in the description below. Now, let's move on to our next step. Now, to make AI talking videos, we'll use this website, and you'll find out its name at the end. You don't need to sign up here, which means there is no credit or time limit. Simply click on Generate, then click on Upload your image in the first step. Upload your own photo by clicking on Upload your own photo. Then, move to the next step. Click on Audio, upload your voice by clicking on Upload your own audio, and upload your voice in MP3 format. After that, move on to the third step. Here you need to select the default avatar, and then simply click on Generate. In a few moments, the AI will create a video for you. Then simply click on Download here. Now you can watch the video. In your life, never forget 3 types of people. Number 1, those who never forget you. This is the best video, like Studio DID. But there are 2 problems in this generated video. The first is the watermark, and the second is its quality. For high-quality videos, you can search on Google for vMake Video Enhancer. Open the first website, sign up with your Gmail, click here, and upload your video. After uploading the video, in a short time, you'll get your high-quality video, which you can download by clicking here. Now you can watch the video. Let me play it for you. In your life, never forget 3 types of people. Number 1, those who never forget you, and those who helped you in your difficult times. The lip sync in this video is excellent, like Studio DID. Now you can see the difference in both videos. As for removing the watermark, you can easily do that in any video editor by cropping. I hope you liked this video. For more amazing AI videos, subscribe to AIVERSE now. See you in the next one.